going on, guys? Welcome back. I know we're in a different setting here. We're actually on our way to the Bay Area for an Obsessed meet. I will be doing kind of the media part for the event. Yeah, should be fun. Right now we're in San Luis Obispo in this cool little, I forgot what the name of this park is called, but it's very naturey, looks really nice. You got this nice, beautiful road with these trees kind of coming over the road. Looks pretty cinematic. But yeah, we're gonna get going. We'll see you guys over there. Gentlemen. There you go, ma'am. All right, just gonna go check out of the hotel. We're meeting up right now at 9 a.m. with the Obsessed crew. The meet doesn't start till 10 a.m. so just gonna go over the plan for media and all that good stuff.
So what, no breakfast?
No, they didn't have no breakfast.
¿Ya se lo acabaron?
Fatties finished it, dude. What up, dude?
Good, man.
What up, dude? How you guys been?
Good.
Just chilling, you know. Long drive from LA. What up, dude? What's up?
Let's go.
I guess we'll fly the drone real quick and get some aerial view of this setup.
Home point updated.